Ever wondered why she can't stop thinking about that one guy she just met? It's not magic, it's psychology. In this video, I'm going to share 8 subtle but powerful triggers that can make a woman mentally replay your interaction all day long, even if you barely spoke. Let's dive deep into the subconscious mind of attraction. 1. Mysterious confidence. Confidence is attractive, but mystery combined with confidence is addictive. Instead of over-explaining who you are, reveal less. Let her wonder, who is this guy? Tip: when she asks questions, give brief, intriguing answers. Then redirect with a confident smile. And 2. Eye contact with purpose. Prolonged eye contact releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. But the key is purposeful eye contact. Don't stare. Look at her like you already know something about her, like you're reading her. This makes her curious and self-aware in your presence, something she'll keep replaying. 3. Playful disqualification. This is when you lightly tease or disqualify her as a romantic option in a fun way. Example: you're fun to talk to, almost like a little sister. This flips the script and makes her want to prove she's more than that. Reverse psychology at its finest. 4. Unique scent or voice tone. Scent and voice are primitive memory anchors. Use a subtle, unique cologne and practice a slower, deeper voice tone. She won't just remember your words, she'll associate a feeling with your presence. That's powerful. 5. Unexpected depth. Most guys stay surface level. You stand out by dropping one deep, vulnerable insight. Example: I used to be terrified of being alone, but it taught me how to understand people better. This humanizes you and sparks emotional depth, a rare and attractive trait. 6. Controlled silence. Most people rush to fill silences. Confident men don't. Strategic pauses in conversation show dominance and make her more conscious of your energy. That tension, she'll replay it over and over in her head. 7. The right kind of touch. A brief touch on the arm while laughing, or a gentle tap on her back to guide her through a door. Non-verbal cues of comfort and control. Just one appropriate, well-timed touch can imprint your presence in her subconscious. 8. The goodbye that hangs. Don't drag your exit. End the interaction on a high note and leave her wanting more. Say something like, "This was fun. Let's see if you're as interesting next time." Leave with a smirk. That final moment, it's what she'll loop in her mind all day. These 8 triggers aren't about being manipulative. They're about becoming memorable. When used authentically, they show that you understand emotional energy and psychological depth. Which of these are you already using? Drop a comment below and let me know what works best for you. And if you want more insights like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification for weekly psychology-based attraction tips.